Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. We will go further with second sum of a general Fourier series. Expand f of x that is equal to pi x from 0 to 1 and 0 from 1 to 2 where period is nothing but 2 into a Fourier series. So I had told you whenever it is for a general series you need to compare your whole range with C to C plus 2L. When you compare with C to C plus 2L, our range is nothing but 0 to 2, which gives me C equal to 0 and C plus 2L is equal to 2. So which gives me 2L is equal to 2 and therefore I can write L is equal to 1. So now I go with series function. Our f of x is a0 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L. So that's my series. We need to find an, bn and a0. This series I can write as a0 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an. Our L is nothing but 1, so this comes to be cos n pi x plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity again bn sin n pi x. So this is my f of x. So let's start with finding a0. So my a0 is given by 1 upon 2l 0 to 2l f of x dx, which I can expand as 1 upon 2 0 to 2, our function is f of x dx, which can be written as, since my function is splitted in two range, so I can write from 0 to 1 it is pi x dx plus from 1 to 2 it is 0 dx. So after solving this I get a0 as 1 divided by 2 integration of pi x. The second term is 0, integration of pi x, which comes to be pi x square by 2. Pi x square by 2, my limits are 0 to 1, which finally comes to be pi by 4. So that's my a0. We go with second, that is an. So an is 1 upon L 0 to 2L f of x into cos n pi x divided by L dx, which I can write as 1 upon 1. Our range is only from 0 to 1 function is valid, so I just write that is pi x cos n pi x and divided by L, which get a value of 1. So now for a second term, that is from 1 to 2, my function is 0, so 0 into cos n pi x dx. So that's my function. Now after solving this, the second term is 0. You can get here pi as a constant, x into cos n pi x, I get to be u into v, so x, and integration of cos is sin n pi x divided by n pi minus 1 differentiation of x, then again minus cos of n pi x divided by n square pi square. So now our range is 0 to 1. Now after substituting above range as 1, I get sin n pi here, which is nothing but 0, minus and minus gives me plus cos n pi, which is, let us write as cos n pi divided by n square pi square. So that's my upper limit. When I put lower limit, I get to be minus, first term is again 0, minus and minus becomes plus, cos 0 is 1 divided by n square pi square. So that I get as my an to be pi n square pi square. I can take it common and value of cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So this is my an.